Class 8, Subject Maths, Lesson number 8, Construction of Quadrilaterals, Practice Set 8.2, Question number 3. Draw a rhombus KLMN such that its side is 4 cm and the angle K measures 75 degree. This is the rough figure of the rhombus KLMN. The K angle measures 75 degree, that is given here. The length of the KL is 4 cm. We know that all the sides of rhombus are congruent. Therefore, the length of the KL equals to the length of the LM equals to the length of the MN equals to the length of the NK equals to 4 cm. And adjacent angles of the rhombus are supplementary. This property also we have learnt. Angle K and angle L are the adjacent angles. Therefore, their sum is 180 degree. Let's write the equation and solve it. After solving it, you will get that measure of the angle L is 105 degree. Therefore, we know now the measures of two angles 75 and 105 degree. We know the length of the three sides, so we can easily draw the quadrilateral. So let's start the construction. This is the rough figure of the quadrilateral KLMN, where the KL is of 4 cm. So let's draw the segment of 4 cm first, name it as KL. Then we have to draw the angle K and angle L. So this angle L measures 105 degree. Let's draw the angle. Place it at point L. We have to draw the angle 105 degree. So let's mark here. The angle K measures 75 degree, so mark it at 75. Now draw the arc. Draw the rays, These are the two rays of the angle K and angle L. Now we know the length of the KL and LM. We know this length LM. So let's draw the LM. Take the distance 4 cm, which is equal to the KL. Draw the arc on each ray, place it on L. Now we get the points M and N. Name the point M and the point N. Now we can join the point N and M. So this is our required rhombus KLMN. Write the measures in the figure. This is the solution of the question.